that I chose to attend this program is the assessment and improvement of my level of proficiency in English. In addition, I believe that through this, I would be given the guarantee to get a scholarship and to meet the requirements to enter a university in the US. When I heard the information about this program, I was a little bit hesitant to apply for it. It is because this was my second time to study in the Philippines, and for the first time, I underwent a lot of difficulties related to study environment, food, and homesickness. Now all my hardships fade off. I got my target English level serving as pass to Missouri State University. Not to mention, I also received a scholarship from the university. This program, IFG, was really helpful for me to enhance my English skills a lot. To those who are aiming to take IFG program, I highly recommend the IFG program at CIP. I assure you that a brighter future is just within your reach.